Vanakkam, myself Rajaboopathy, founder and trainer RADIAN IAS Academy. So try to answer this question. This is UPSC CSAT model question. A logical puzzle. A woman has 24 pairs of gloves. That is totally 48 gloves in her drawer. 8 pairs of blue, 6 pairs of black and 10 pairs of red color gloves. That means totally 24 pairs. So therefore number of pieces 48. The lights are out and she is completely in the dark. So assume that there is no light in the room, complete darkness. Assume that blindfolded. So not using any source of light also. So what is the minimum number of gloves must be taken blindfolded to make 100% sure that she has at least one pair of any color gloves? So usually the answer should be minimum only they'll ask, not maximum. Maximum means what? You can take all 48. So you can pause the video, then you try to answer this question. If you want hint, then wait, then after the hint, then you can start working out this problem. So what is the hint is she has to wear one pair of gloves. The pair can be of any color. It can be of blue or red or black. But both the gloves must be the pair. Both the gloves must be of the same color. And please note that what is very, very important is, so what is the difference between socks and gloves in the reasoning problem, in the logical problem? Socks are not distinguishable, whereas gloves are distinguishable. What do you mean by distinguishable? There is left-handed and right-handed. You can easily answer the questions. So keep in mind that gloves, left is different, right is different. One pair means one right, one left. So the question is, what is the minimum number of gloves? Minimum number of gloves means the pieces of gloves. How many pieces of gloves? Totally 48 pieces of gloves are there in the basket. Pause this video and try to answer the question. Hope you answered correctly. Anyway, you can watch this video. We'll do some more problems at the end also, after explaining this problem. So 8 pairs of blue color. So therefore total pieces 16. Black. So 16 means what? 8 left and 8 right. Similarly in 12, 6 right and 6 left. So this question is very simple. See, totally 48 pieces are there. So therefore I have 24 right and 24 left. So therefore totally 48 pieces. So I need one pair. What do you mean by one pair means? I want one left and one right of the same color. Color doesn't matter. So even if I take 24 gloves, I may not get a pair. Why? All 24 can be left or all 24 can be right. So therefore the answer is 24 plus 1. So therefore the answer for this question is 25. So understood? The answer is 25. If I take 25, definitely I will have at least one pair of gloves. In the same problem, now I'll ask a different question. Assume that being Monday today, she wants to wear only blue color gloves. So in the previous problem, the color can be anything, no particular color. Now in the second question, she insisted that the color of the gloves should be blue. That means I need a left and right both blue color. Now tell me, what is the minimum number of gloves to be picked up to get at least one pair of blue color gloves? Sure to get. Now pause this video and try to answer. I hope you answer correctly. Anyway, we'll verify your answer. See, now the color is insisted. What is the color? The color must be blue color. Always in logical reasoning questions, always go for what if not blue. So not blue means totally how many pieces? 32 pieces. Please note that even if I take 32 pieces, I may not get even single blue color gloves at all, but I want a pair. So therefore normally some of you answer 32 plus 2, but 32 plus 2 is not the correct answer, because out of 16, 8 left and 8 right is there. So therefore even if I take 32 plus 8 more, then I may not get a pair of blue color, because all 8 can be left or right kind. So therefore the answer is 32 plus 8 plus 1. So therefore if I take 41, then definitely I will get at least one pair of blue color gloves. So what happens if the question is for socks, not gloves? Assume that socks. That is a basket, a drawer contains 8 pairs of blue color socks. That means 16 pieces of blue color socks, 12 pieces of black color and 20 pieces of red color socks. Totally 48 pieces of socks. Now assume that I want to go out. I need at least one pair of socks. So I want one pair of socks. The pair of socks can be of the any color, but both the socks must be of the same color. Now what is the answer? So again I already explained, socks are not distinguishable. That means what? In socks, there is no left and there is no right. Please note that, assume that socks are not distinguishable. So don't argue with me. I have a socks. It is left and right written universally for logical problems. Socks are not distinguishable. I can wear left socks in the right leg, similarly in the right socks for the left leg also, but not in the case of gloves. Even in gloves also, some say the surgical gloves are not distinguishable, but generally please assume that for all logical questions related problems, assume that gloves are distinguishable. That means right is different, left is different, but socks are not distinguishable. Now we answer this question. So the answer is very simple. So what is the answer? So that means what? I want two socks of same color, that's all, but not in the case of gloves. In the gloves, I want two gloves, one left and one right. Here there is no condition. So therefore, even if I take three socks, one can be blue, one can be red, one can be black. So in this case, there is no pair of any color. But if I take 3 plus 1, if I take 4 socks, definitely I will get at least one pair. Even it can be a 2 pair also, but at least one pair of any color socks. Therefore, the answer is 4. Now for the same problem, tell me the answer. By being Monday today, I want to wear black color socks. So what is the minimum number of socks to be taken to get at least one pair of black color socks? Pause this video and then try to answer the question and then verify your answer. To get one pair of black color, so now assume that not black cases. First enumerate this. So therefore 16 plus 20, what is 16 plus 20 is 36. So even if I take 36 socks, I may not get single pieces of black color. Please note that I am going for the worst cases. Why worst cases? That's why I said may not. Because I sure to get. Please note that sometimes even if I take 2 socks, I may get one pair of black color, but not 100% sure. So therefore, even if I take 36, I may not get. So therefore, I want black color. So therefore, the answer is 36 plus 2 will do. So therefore, the answer is 38. If I take 38, definitely I'll get one pair of black color socks. So now I'll give you another logical questions for you to practice. I'll explain the answer later, but this is a very, very, very important question. So understand the questions very, very carefully. So a basket contains, so assume that a basket contains 5 red color shirts. All are shirts, not gloves, not socks, shirts. So a basket contains 5 red color shirts and 10 blue color shirts and 9 black color shirts. This is kept in a complete dark room. So totally how many pieces? Totally 24 shirts are there. Assume that 3 boys are going out. They want to wear same color shirts. Assume that all shirts are of the same size. Now, what is the minimum number of shirts to be taken? Completely blindfolded. Already you are in the dark room. What is the minimum number of shirts to be taken from the basket to get at least 3 shirts of same color? So I want 3 shirts. I want 3 shirts, but all the 3 shirts should be of the same color. Same color means what? All the 3 red, all the 3 can be blue, all the 3 can be black. But all the 3 shirts must be of the same color so that all the 3 can wear same color shirt. So what is the minimum number of shirts to be taken from this basket? So in the previous question, it is pair type. This is single piece type. So these are all UPSC CSAT, Civil Services Aptitude Test type of problems. So I have been taking classes for CSAT for more than 20 years. I have been following all the CSAT problems asked in the UPSC because CSAT 2011 onwards, previously CSAT questions, the aptitude questions, part of general studies. Pause this video and answer these questions, especially for this particular problem. Many may not answer correctly. So if you answer correctly, means you are relatively higher IQ. Keep it up. Okay, now I'll explain. So totally 24 shirts are there, but I need just 3 shirts. So what is the minimum number of shirts to be taken? I need 3 shirts in any one color. That means what is the negation for this? So the negation for always go for the negation as in the previous case, because in the previous I want blue means go for the negation, not blue. Similarly here, I need 3 shirts of same color. What happens if I get each 2 shirts of same color? So if I take 6 shirts, 6 shirts may be like this, 2 red, 2 blue, 2 black. But if I take one more shirt, that means 7. So if I take 7 shirts, then definitely at least 3 shirts I'll get of the same color. This one can be of blue color or black color or red color. Even some of you may ask me, so what happens if all the 7 of the same color? No problem. That is my best case. I want just 3 shirts at least. Therefore, you are giving me 7 shirts. So for more problem of this kind and CSAT revision classes for 2024, thank you. Subscribe, comment and share video to your friend. To get notification, please click the bell button. For any difficult aptitude questions, you can WhatsApp to this number, or for any query about classes, you can WhatsApp to this number 98403 98093. Save this number and WhatsApp, because we send all your updates through broadcast only. So therefore, saving of this mobile number in your mobile is important. Thank you.